Hi everyone, welcome to my channel with another amazing video. Don't throw away expired LED bulbs as there are a lot of beautiful ideas how you can recycle them. Here are some painting ideas by which you can paint these LED bulbs into very beautiful decoration pieces. Other than painting, these LED bulbs can also be used as planters or you can make flower vases out of them. Hope these ideas will help you a lot to make your house look beautiful using these LED bulbs. Don't forget to share your reviews in the comment section and follow my channel for more such videos.